What's up, James? I thought I'd shoot you a video of the house and how it's coming along. So you got brick all the way around now. Looking good, buddy, looking good. I'm liking it. They changed that front elevation, so now you got that real manly looking front end. And check it out, man, you got fence. Like I said, look at that side yard, man. I told you it'd be nice and big. Let's take a look inside and see how we're looking. There's your lights, by the way. You see? I told you you're gonna have lights. You got some lights. So we're all textured up. Look at your trim. There's your box ceiling in your dining room. There's your ceiling in your master. Bam. It's coming along, man. It's coming along. Go check out what they got going in the other bedrooms. There's your beam. Here's the bathroom. There's your closet fixtures going in. So there you go, brother. I thought I'd send you a video. Hit me up if you want anything or need anything. Hope all is well.